Beat the heat anywhere with the best smart portable air conditioner designed for effortless cooling and control. With Wi-Fi connectivity, voice assistant compatibility, and energy-efficient performance, this innovative unit keeps your room perfectly comfortable no matter where you are. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Dreo Smart Portable Air Conditioner. The Dreo Smart Portable Air Conditioner delivers powerful cooling in a sleek, compact design that's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any indoor space needing relief from hot summer days. With its 12,000 BTU ASHRE, 8,000 BTU SACC, capacity and fan combination, it can cool a room up to 16 feet away, almost instantly, while the temperature can be adjusted from 61 degree at Phi to 86 degree Phi to suit personal preferences. One of its standout features is Dreo's patented noise isolation system, which reduces compressor and turbulence noise to just 45 dB, making it ideal for nighttime use or quiet working environments. The unit also boasts a true drainage-free system that automatically evaporates excess water with the help of smart sensors and a built-in pump, eliminating the need for manual drainage, even in high humidity conditions. Beyond performance, the Dreo portable AC excels in smart connectivity. Users can control temperature, fan speed, humidity, and even the sleep curve function via the Dreo app. And voice control is compatible with Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home for hands-free operation. Its versatility is further enhanced by 3 modes: cool, fan, and dry, each offering 3 adjustable settings to match any scenario. The lightweight design makes it moving it from room to room effortless, and the modern look fits seamlessly into any decor.
Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner. The BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner is a highly versatile unit designed to make cooling, dehumidifying, and air circulation simple for rooms up to 700 square feet. With 14,000 BTU ASHRAE, 10,200 BTU SACC power, this portable AC provides fast, efficient cooling while also functioning as a fan and dehumidifier, making it an all-in-one solution for indoor comfort. Its compact design allows for easy portability, while the top-mounted control panel and full-function remote ensure convenient operation from across the room. One of its defining features is the Follow Me function on the remote, which acts as a mobile thermostat for precise temperature monitoring, ensuring the room is always at the desired comfort level. Smart features elevate the experience, with Wi-Fi connectivity allowing control via the mobile app, as well as voice activation through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, enabling hands-free operation for modern homes. The unit is designed to handle both large and small spaces, offering flexible cooling in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Energy efficiency is considered in its design, maintaining powerful performance without excessive power consumption. The BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner also emphasizes user convenience with easy maintenance, a washable filter, and smooth, quiet operation.
Number 3. Midea Smart Portable Air Conditioner. The Midea Smart Portable Air Conditioner is designed for homeowners seeking compact, effective, and intelligent cooling solutions. This 10,000 BTU ASHRAE, 7,100 BTU SAC unit cools spaces up to 300 square feet, providing a comfortable environment through its 3 functions: cooling, fan, and dehumidification. Its SmartCool technology ensures rapid cooling while maintaining a quiet operation suitable for bedrooms or workspaces. Control and convenience are at the heart of this portable AC, with the Midea Smart Home app allowing users to adjust settings from anywhere using iOS or Android devices. It also integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice-controlled operation, making it a modern, user-friendly solution. Operation is effortless thanks to the digital LED display and compact remote, which provides easy access to temperature settings, mode selection, and timers, allowing precise control over your environment. Installation is straightforward, with an included 5-foot exhaust hose and adjustable window brackets that fit a range of window openings without additional tools. The washable air filter ensures clean, healthy airflow while protecting the unit from dust and debris, and regular maintenance is simple. The Midea Smart Portable Air Conditioner combines portability, energy efficiency, and smart functionality, making it ideal for seasonal cooling or supplemental air conditioning. Its durable design and focus on comfort allow it to perform reliably while remaining easy to move and maintain.
Number 4. Whynter Smart Portable Air Conditioner. The Whynter Smart Portable Air Conditioner is an award-winning unit recognized for its outstanding performance, versatility, and quiet operation. With a 14,000 BTU capacity, it efficiently cools spaces up to 500 square feet, making it suitable for larger bedrooms, living areas, or office spaces. Its dual functionality as a dehumidifier and fan enhances comfort and ensures consistent air quality, while the built-in auto-drain system handles condensate automatically, simplifying maintenance. Despite its power, this unit operates quietly at just 51 dBA on low settings, making it unobtrusive during sleep or work. The 3 operational modes, cool, dehumidify, and fan, combined with adjustable thermostat settings from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, provide users with flexible and precise control over their indoor climate. Whynter has designed the unit for easy installation with extendable intake and exhaust hoses, window kits, and a removable carbon air filter that enhances air quality while being easy to clean. Portability is also a key feature, with a compact footprint and convenient wheels allowing effortless movement between rooms. Its eco-conscious design runs on CFC-free refrigerants, making it energy efficient while minimizing environmental impact.
Number 5. Midea Duo Smart Portable Air Conditioner. The Midea Duo Smart Portable Air Conditioner introduces innovative cooling technology with its dual hose-in-hose system, which balances air intake and exhaust for maximum efficiency while preventing warm outdoor air from entering the room. With a 14,000 BTU capacity and inverter technology, this unit delivers powerful, energy-efficient cooling, saving more than 40% of electricity compared to traditional portable ACs. Its optimized air duct system ensures faster and stronger cooling, making it ideal for whole room temperature control. In addition to cooling, the Midea Duo provides year-round comfort with its heat pump, capable of heating indoor spaces efficiently, and its operating temperature range spans from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Smart features include app connectivity for iOS and Android, and voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing remote operation and monitoring of temperature, fan speed, and mode selection. The unit's sleek design and portability make it easy to move between rooms, while its dual hose system ensures energy-efficient performance without sacrificing cooling speed or comfort. Multifunctional operation, combined with smart controls and innovative engineering, makes the Midea Duo Smart Portable Air Conditioner an excellent choice for users seeking rapid, reliable, and versatile climate control in any season, offering both modern convenience and high-efficiency cooling. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.